Welcome back to the Cafe X Machina channel. I bought a 1980s Rossin road bike near us. The seller bought it new in 1986 and it's in nearly original condition. What puzzles me is the Shimano AX 600 group set. I found other Rossin bikes for sale in Finland with the same group set. The problem is that, as far as I know, this group set wasn't used by Rossin. Later on, Rossin did use the Shimano Durace group set, so could this group set have been installed by the importer? In Finland, the importer was Tunturi, a 100-year-old bicycle manufacturer in Finland. So it's possible that Tunturi ordered ready-made frame sets from Rossin and equipped them with components of their choice. So does anyone know which Rossin model this is, or is it Tunturi's version of a Rossin frame? Does anyone recognize this model? All in all, the bike is in good condition. So what should I do with it? Option A, restore it as a daily rider. Option B, fully restore it. Option C, build a new frame and use these components on it. In any case, everything on the bike works great. The rear derailleur shifts gears like new. Likewise, the front derailleur shifts gears like new. This bike has tubular tires. The spare tire is in pretty bad condition. This spare tire is made in the USSR. I will break the chain to make disassembling the bike easier. Let's remove the wheels. These vintage Mavic GP4 rims are beautiful. The frame size is 58, so it's too big for me. That would support building my own frame. The right frame size for me is 54. It could be brazed from Columbus super light tubing. I will remove the speedometer wires because I use the right app. I will remove all the handlebar tape. I am going to replace it with new tape anyway. The brake levers are installed low, making it easy to brake in a racing position. The bike has a Cinelli handlebar. The frame size is 58. The shifting cable routing could be done better. The down tube is at a 60-degree angle and the top tube at a 72-degree angle. I will remove the bottle cage. It is not original, but probably an accessory from the same era. The cranks spin well, but the bottom bracket still needs to be serviced or replaced. The question is, what should I do with this bike? Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to the channel.